Hello there, this is the Bookkeeping Master on YouTube. Welcome to the final and third installment of this mini-series about starting a profitable business. I'm guessing that you are looking to start a business, or you're new to business, or perhaps you're new to accounting. Whatever the case, thank you for watching these videos. If you have started with this video, then there are 2 videos before this one, so go back and watch those videos. Up to now, I have spoken a lot about business planning. In this video, I just want to share some final advice with you about having a profitable business. And I want to start off with the 3 P's. So there are 3 P's that I think you need to think about when starting a business, and things you need to apply when you're in business. The first is planning, and I could spend another 10 videos on planning, but hopefully the previous 2 videos will suffice. You need to plan. I cannot tell you enough. You need to research, you need to ask those questions, you need to have a business plan. The more you plan, the more chance of success that you're going to have. Now, there are businesses that just open on the spur of the moment and are an overnight success, but 99% of the time that is not the case. You need to plan properly, have a business plan. The £250 or the time taken to create a business plan by yourself is time or money, or time and money well invested. So plan, make sure you plan as much as possible. And then kind of going along with planning, the next P is patience. Now, a lot of people don't want to plan because they're impatient. They just want to get straight into creating sales and starting their business. But you need to have patience to plan, but also you need to have patience with your business, because the reality is, and you need to accept this and take this on board, the reality is it takes about 3 years for a business or company to start making a profit. 3 years. So you need to consider that when you plan, and you also need to be patient. If you're not a millionaire by this time next year, you need to have more patience. Don't get impatient. It's all about building blocks and making steps forward, improving, growing step by step, rather than taking these huge leaps in profitability. You have to have patience. And then along with patience and planning, I don't know if I've spelt this right, but persistence. You need to be persistent. Try not to get discouraged. Business is really hard, as I've mentioned in previous videos. Just be persistent, be diligent, just keep plodding on and keep looking for ways to improve and expand your business and make it become profitable. Now, there are a few more things that I really suggest for a business, and that's bookkeeping. If you're confident with the accounts yourself, then do them yourself. If not, get a bookkeeper. And the Bookkeeping Master, which is me, I offer bookkeeping services. The important thing about bookkeeping from a business point of view is that you have monthly management accounts, meaning on a monthly basis you can see how sales are doing in the business, you can see the profitability of the business, you can see those things every month and look at the goals in your business plan and really evaluate how the business is doing. Without that, without bookkeeping, a lot of people don't really know how their business is performing from a financial perspective until the accountant at year end has the accounts. And sometimes they're in late, so perhaps it's 18 months after the date that you actually see the accounts for. So don't put that off. Having those financials every month can really help you to plan, help you to know how the business is doing. It can provide motivation, inspiration, and it's a great tool. Another point that I wanted to make was just accounting in general, having a year-end accountant. Once again, for the same reasons as bookkeeping, but apart from the tax side of accounting, the accountant will tell you how much tax he will calculate or she will calculate. the amount of tax that you owe. Apart from that, bookkeeping is more important. You need to do that to keep on top of your business. And that's really the points that I wanted to make. Hopefully this series has been helpful. Please like, please subscribe, please share this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Feel free to email me. I can provide bookkeeping services from £25 a month. We provide business planning services and lots of other things. But thank you for watching. If you go to my website, freebookkeepingaccounting.com, you'll see lots of other free videos under these headings. Let's have a quick look. An exclusive bookkeeping course, using Excel in accounts, Sage training, a free bookkeeping course, an exclusive bookkeeping course, which goes into more in-depth things and talks a lot about double entry bookkeeping, credit control course, a business planning course, management accounts, other accounting videos. There's loads on here, Xero, Cashflow, QuickBooks, and lots of other things. There's a blog that gives lots of advice. I offer email support per year. It's like £35 per year, and I can answer your questions by email. But thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.